In just a few days, a fresh DEX on Sui went from $150 million to over $350 million in locked value. That's Momentum Finance, a little-known DeFi powerhouse. No hype, just raw growth. They've had record-high swap volumes. A total of $13 billion has been traded, and they're running an airdrop campaign where they're handing out bricks like candy, all of which could mean real MMT tokens are on the way. If you're new to this, TVL stands for Total Value Locked. It's basically the money users put into the platform to power it. TGE, that's Token Generation Event, is set for October or November, so this is your chance to get in on the ground floor and earn some early rewards. Trust me, just stay a while. I'll break it down for you, step by step, and I promise, no jargon overload. Ready to level up your farming game? Let's do this. Momentum Finance went from $240 million to $300 million in just 48 hours, which is a lot of money. Now it's already $350 million. That's momentum, pun intended, fueled by their build pad campaign, which is still going strong. Swaps hit an all-time high too, meaning more trades, more action on this Sui-based DEX. A DEX is basically a decentralized exchange, so it's like your own crypto swap shop, with no banks involved. Momentum snagged 10% of Sui's total locked value before token launch. That's the third biggest on the network, with a $100 million valuation from major players like Coinbase and OKX Ventures. But why should you care? This isn't vaporware, it's liquidity flooding in, real users staking Sui, USDC, and Bitcoin pairs. And get this, official stats show a total swap volume of $13 billion so far, with a new all-time daily high of $205 million on September 29th. Average? $150 million a day. If you're eyeing Sui's next big play, this is it. Alright, let's unpack what powers this beast. Momentum Finance introduced xSUI. It's like a supercharged Sui. You can stake your regular Sui tokens on their platform and boom, you get xSUI back. It's a yield-generating token, meaning it earns you stuff while you hold it. How? You'll be earning staking rewards from Spring Sui, plus liquidity incentives and even MMT bricks. Those airdrop points will hit next. TVL is at $358 million, and the swap volume is at $13.3 billion. Charts show steady climb since August, with pools like Sui USDC offering around 123% APY. That's your earning rate on deposited assets. Add liquidity here, and you're not just trading, you're building the ecosystem. xSUI lets you use it across Sui DeFi, stake in other apps, and earn swap fees from liquidity pools. It's seamless and beginner-friendly. Just connect your Sui wallet and start earning those rewards. This is the tech that makes Momentum the go-to DEX on Sui. Now let's talk about the fun part. I'm working on farming that MMT airdrop. Chloe nailed it last week. Bricks are points, and the more bricks you have, the better your odds of getting those sweet MMT drops. Token launch hits October, maybe November, so we've got a limited time frame. Step 1. Give liquidity in incentivized pools that earn base bricks. Step 2. There are two main things to consider, quests and referrals. Invite your friends via Galks for bonuses. Want a higher volume? Climb the Yapper leaderboard for bigger slices. Figgin shared her move too. She added Sui USDC liquidity for sky-high APY and eyeing the 2x brick multiplier. Pre-TGE staking shows $309 million TVL, 69 million boosted, with a maximum APY of 111% on assets like xSUI. Just connect your Sui wallet to BuildPad, and you're all set. Here's the official word from Momentum Finance on September 25th. Their HODL yield campaign is live until October 19th. Put your money into pools like Sui USDC or LBTC Sui. Earn X Bitcoin or xSUI plus 2x bricks. It's about strong, sustainable liquidity pre-TGE. Grow your bag while boosting the network. If you're just starting out, it's best to take it slow. For example, investing $100 in a pool could lead to some pretty great returns. This setup is great for those who jump on board early. The top 500 yappers will get exclusive NFTs. Want to get ahead and maybe even score some extra points? Check out Matrix.doc's collaboration. Swap USDC for xSUI. That's a physical gold-backed token at fixed prices with no slippage. No nasty price swings on big trades. Instant settlement via Nodo. Deep liquidity sourced straight from Matrix.doc. Perfect for diversifying your SUI portfolio. In my opinion, if you play early and small, I don't think there's much risk. But crypto's volatile, so do your own research. Farm smart, not greedy. Now you've got the map. Stake, provide liquidity, earn bricks. Make a positive difference in your portfolio today. If this got you thinking, go ahead and destroy the like button. And if you're really feeling it, why not subscribe for more daily, no BS crypto breakdowns? Join my free Telegram group via pinned comment for live tips, and become a channel member for exclusives. Oh, and if you missed my Aster TA and Airdrop deep dive, there's a link on screen where you can watch it. What airdrop are you farming next? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll read and reply all of them. Thanks for tuning in. This is not financial advice. See you tomorrow.